4.6a, percentages of whole numbers. What if we need the percentage of a number other than 100? Well, there are two methods we're going to look at in handling this problem. First of which is converting percent to a fraction, and then doing fraction multiplication. The second method is converting percent to a decimal and doing decimal multiplication. Let's go through these methods in the examples. So example 1, what is 15% of 20? So first off, I'm going to convert my 15% to a fraction. I'm going to use method 1 here, and it's 15 over 100, since fractions are always over 100 when we're dealing with percents. So if I reduce this, this is equivalent to 3 over 20 if I divide top and bottom by 5. So now I carry out my fraction multiplication. I multiply my percent by 20. So 3 over 20 times 20, and 20 is actually 20 over 1, ends up being 3 times 20, 20 times 1. The 20s cancel because it's like multiplying and dividing by 20, and I'm left with just 3 over 1, or 3. So the answer is 3. 3 is 15% of 20. Example 2. 20% of my 160 different welds were done incorrectly and must be redone. How many welds is this? So first, I'm going to convert 20% into a decimal. I want to do a decimal this time. So 20% is 0.2. And then I just carry out decimal multiplication with 160. So 160 times 0.2 is, so we have a 0 here, so there's a 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. And there are 2 decimal places in this multiplication problem, so you have to move over 1, 2. So our answer is 32 welds of the 160 must be redone.